We're about to start leading because we have also legislation that is coming, and since PSD1 we have PSD2, which is more mature, and I think we're managing to protect the traditional system but also to accommodate innovation and understand that the open banking is a new reality, but try to do that protecting data and not destroying or disturbing how things work. So we will manage to have complementary services there. So I think Europe can lead on that.
I think both. Europe is leading in terms of interoperable solution when it comes to the banking and the insurance sector. When it comes to the data economy, Europe has to catch up.
Today's Europe maybe is not positioned to win the race of the next 100 meters, but maybe might win the marathon in the next few years, as we have some prerequisite, including the capital market union and the fact that we sit on the largest economy globally. So I'm very optimistic about this.
We have to convince banks and other financial institutions to work with startups, fintech startups, because for the moment there is a very conservative attitude, and they don't like competition, they don't like to share their services, their databases and everything with startups in fintech fields.
Really, it requires the consumers to accept it, because the consumers don't often, in some parts, trust new technology. So we need to generate that confidence and that trust. And once we do that, we can get much higher take-up of fintech products and offerings.
The most important thing in my view across all this fintech piece is global consistency of regulatory approach. So we cannot afford to have fragmentation, because these solutions are digital and borderless by definition, and therefore I think there's a key role to play both for the European Union and regulators at a global level to join forces, to experiment, to understand and learn, and to take the right steps so that new technologies still protect consumers, protect integrity of data, and also help to fight the cyber risks that we see in the market.
Fintech can be not only a technology used for services, but can be also a different way to imagine the connection between investors and the companies in Europe to have new ways to finance companies.